Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Nadula Hair Amazon. Today I'm showing you guys their Bye Bye Knots Glueless HD Lace Closure Wig. It's a 7x5 pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached lace. The texture is a body wave, and as you guys can see, it's this beautiful balayage brown ombre type highlighted color. Now the good thing about this wig is that it really comes like ready for you. I didn't really have to do too much, and it also comes with that beautiful drawstring in the back that tightens the whole perimeter of the wig cap, and it makes everything so much better. I have this wig in 24 inches, 100% human hair, and 150% density. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Per the usual, I'm going to just give you guys a quick unboxing, show you some close-ups of the hair. Again, the wig does come ready for you, so the curls are already there, the lace pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, you guys already know, and they are saying that this lace is HD. Now that's the inside of the wig cap, and again, you guys, it does have that beautiful elastic drawstring that I'm going to show you guys in just a second, and that drawstring tightens the entire wig cap. Also, it does have the adjustable elastic band, and it also has the combs inside of the wig as well. Now I'm actually really happy that this wig did come with that drawstring, because the wig cap unfortunately was way too big on me, so that drawstring definitely helped. Before I show you guys how to do that though, I'm going to make sure I get all of the hair away from the lace. That way I have a clean space to work with, because I'll still be going in with some spray. Alright, so this drawstring operates the same way as any other drawstring. You just pull it down and it tightens the whole wig cap, not just the back, but literally the lace as well. Like, it tightens the entire perimeter. Now, obviously, you don't want that string hanging out, so I normally just tuck it underneath my wig cap. That way it is not noticeable. Now, obviously, the wig cap is a lot more secure now, but the lace still was not laying flat. As you guys can see here, I could literally put my whole finger through it. So I'm going to go in with some lace melting spray. Now, I don't know if you guys will have to do this. It really just depends on how the wig cap fits on you all, but always keep some lace melting spray on hand. I always do. Even if a wig is fitting me perfectly, I still like to go in with some lace melting spray, because it just makes the lace look 10 times better. This lace was thin, it was HD, they did a really good job, but I always like to tell you guys to remember that lace is a texture, so regardless of how thin it is, you will see it. So a lot of the times the spray really does help to hide it even more and just let it sink down into your skin even more. So I'm letting the lace melt underneath the elastic band, and I did go in and add some more foundation on the lace as well as some baby hairs. The baby hairs was necessary for me because with these pre-cut laces, it normally stops before my natural edges. My natural edges come out pretty far, and sometimes they are a little too noticeable, so I do have to take an extra step and add the baby hairs. I will be sticking with the middle part today, but right now I'm just showing you guys that if you would like to part it to the side, you can. It's a 7x5 lace closure. I've done it before. This isn't the first time I've promoted a 7x5 lace closure on my channel. It's possible, you guys, so don't worry, okay? I'm just sticking with the middle part because I like it like that. So now I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to make sure the top of the wig is laying super flat. I did decide to give myself some layers in the front and also add some more curls in the front as well, just to kind of like touch it up a little bit. But other than that, I didn't really do too much, you guys. The curls were still intact. like the way that it came inside the box, they were still very much intact. So they did a really good job with that. The shedding was a little minimal, I will put that out there. It wasn't terrible, but I did have a little bit of shedding. Now, as far as the feel of the hair felt very full. Honestly, I know they said it's 150% density, but it felt really good because I've had thinner ones before, or it just could be the layers that I decided to put into it. I'm not too sure, but it felt really, really, really nice. And it also felt very silky, and the hair had a nice shine to it, and it did not have a smell. Now, with my whole little spiel just now, for something that you are wondering and I did not mention in this video, just go ahead and put it in the comment section down below. Okay, you guys, that is it for this tutorial. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I know you guys are like, girl, that is a basic hairstyle. Yes, it is. Number one, it's a lace closure. Okay. So even with lace closures, I do prefer to keep it simple. Now you can do a middle part, you can do a side part, a C curve part, whatever is up to you. I don't recommend half up, half downs because in my personal opinion, they don't look natural because the lace obviously stops way before your ears, and you know what I'm saying? Like, it just doesn't look natural to me, but it's completely up to you. However, I like my hair like this, so make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you next time.